Good afternoon and welcome back to Meet Your Neighbor. We are now visiting with Mr. David Groner with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. And David, it's our first time meeting you. We will be doing these, seeing you on Meet Your Neighbor and Acadiana Live several times a month, but it's our first one. So let's just have you introduce yourself and tell us about Acadiana Elder Law Clinic.
Happy to be here. We're so excited. Yes, I'm an elder law trained attorney, and we help people put together trusts and estate planning as we get older on how you're going to transition your estate to your children, and to a large degree, how to save your estate from losing it so that you have an estate to give to your children. So that's what we're going to talk about, all kind of different tools we can use.
Whenever a new client comes to you guys, what are maybe some of the biggest concerns that you find people have, or some of the most frequently asked questions that you get from clients?
Sure. Well, first of all, the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic was started by financial planners who really, through the state's top financial planners, got together with me because they were concerned that their clients needed trust for their proper estate planning, and they weren't getting the education about that they needed. They've asked me to come speak to them around the state, different seminars that they put on, and by doing that we realized a lot of people are getting kind of angry because they're not getting the information that they need in order to better plan their estates. So that's how the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic got started. It's a nonprofit organization, and it's purely to help educate everyone on what they can do to better plan for their estate. The most frequent question that they ask us, or rather the most frequent trust that we do, is what we call a Medicaid protection trust. Many people who are in the middle class are losing their entire savings and eventually their homes when one or the other has to go into a nursing home, because there's no way to pay for it unless you pay for it until you've exhausted all of your assets, and then the state will pay for it. Well, if you do a simple trust, a Medicaid protection trust, and you get 5 years goes by, then your trust is bulletproof, and if one or the other has to go to a nursing home, the state picks up the tab and you do not have to exhaust your financial resources.
Of course, we have lots more to learn from you, more than we can learn in these two short minutes that we
Sure.
have. But you guys keep in tune to Meet Your Neighbor and Acadiana Live. We'll answer more questions with Mr. David here. Again, the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. You can call them at the number on your screen, or you can visit their website if you would like to learn more.